Hi, Jerry from Comfort here again. Today to talk about slider windows. You know, in the industry, the double hung is the most popular window in the entire country. Number 2 is the slider. The slider is beautiful and it's very good for convenient large ventilation. It could be made wider than a double hung and they glide back and forth. And Comfort happens to do what they call a dual slider, so you can get ventilation from either end on this window or set them in the center to get a nice full cross ventilation. And we also feature a full screen on our 2-light slider so that you can do that ventilation. And when you want to clean these are so easy. They lift out for cleaning. You clean the outside, put the window back in the pocket, and they slide nice and easy because they slide on brass rollers. So when you want to insert the window, put the window back in, drop it into the pocket, close it, and lock it, and you're all done. Now this 2-light slider happens to have what they call an architectural circle top window over the top with a fancy grid pattern mauled to it, which is a choice that you can do if you want to accent your 2-light slider. Now if there's really large openings, a real popular window is the 3-section slider. Now even though this is in 3-section, it counts as one window. So you're able to fill a very large opening with one window. The center window is fixed and the 2 end windows open and completely fill the center window, so you're getting 50% perfect ventilation. So you can vent anywhere you want, leave them open wherever you want, close them, and they clean the exact same way as the 2-light slider. These are locally manufactured right here in central New York. We build them, we sell them direct to you, we install them with our own people, our own actual employees. There are absolutely no subcontractors, so from A to Z, that window is yours.